Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to add the tag to your note in EasyNote. Just open the app and go to one of your notes, click on it, and then here in the top right corner click on the three dots and you can see add tags here. Click on it and then you can write a new tag or choose from the existent ones like love. And now you can see that the tag has been added, and you can find in the menu this tags section where you can also manage the tags you have. That's basically it. I hope it helps.